Our next delegate is Syed Saim Bashir from Australia.
Respected President of the Conference, President Hamdard Foundation Pakistan, dignitaries and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I say Simon Bashir from Australia. Feel honored to be the part of the 33rd International Health Conference live online session. As per yearly custom, this invigorating live session is organized by the Hamdard Foundation Pakistan in collaboration with Hamdard Public School. To celebrate World Health Day, the yearly theme of the session is selected by the World Health Organization (WHO). The theme for this year, 2025, is Healthy Beginning, Hopeful Futures. Distinguished audience, I start my speech with a quote of Thomas Edison. The doctor of the future will give no medicine, but will instruct his patients in care of the human frame, in diet, and the cause and prevention of disease. I unquote. Dear audience, health is the foundation of a thriving society. Every child born today carries the potential to shape the world of tomorrow. But this potential can only be realized if we ensure that they start life with proper healthcare, good nutrition, and a safe environment. A healthy beginning is not just about survival, it is about enabling children to grow, learn, and contribute to a stronger and more prosperous future. Madam President, in Pakistan, where maternal and child health care remain critical concerns, this theme holds particular significance while progress has been made. Challenges like malnutrition, limited healthcare access in rural areas, and high infant and maternal mortality rates still persist. We must strengthen our healthcare systems, enhance immunization programs, and promote awareness about early childhood care. The first 1,000 days of a child's life are crucial in shaping their lifelong well-being, and investing in them is investing in our nation's future. Globally, too, millions of children still lack basic healthcare and nutrition. This is a collective challenge that calls for collective action. Governments, healthcare institutions, and communities must come together to ensure that every child, regardless of geography or background, receives the care they need. Let us pledge today to advocate for policies and initiatives that prioritize healthy beginnings for all, because when we give every child a strong start, we secure a hopeful future for the world. Eminent guest, to conclude my speech, I would like to share this quote by Herophilus. I quote, "When health is absent, wisdom cannot reveal itself, art cannot manifest, strength cannot fight, wealth becomes useless, and intelligence cannot be applied." Thank you.